Well, it's taco night here in the Wayne trailer. We have a little over a pound and a half of hamburger in the fridge, so we're going to make ourselves some taco meat in our Instant Pot. And that's my beautiful baby girl. She's usually my supervisor and director, but she's moving on up to taste tester. She also wanted me to remind you guys to share our video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. That's me. I am Instant Pot Dave with TheWildWaynes, celebrating our taco night with a beautiful taco. I love taco night. Let's start the night off by making our taco seasoning. Well, that's just what we have in our pantry. A little chili powder, and some granulated garlic, some oregano, a granulated onion, a couple of shots of cumin, some paprika, some salt, and some fresh ground black pepper. And there's your taco seasoning. And we'll chop one yellow onion, medium-sized pieces. We'll hit saute on our Instant Pot. Add our olive oil to our hot pot. And let's drop our chopped onions into that Instant Pot. Let those onions sweat a little bit. Get it just a little translucent. And it's time to drop our hamburger into those onions. Let's break down that hamburger into smaller pieces and we'll let that cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a nice stir, scraping along the bottom, making sure the bottom's clean. And we'll chop the hamburger into smaller pieces. We'll give it another 4 or 5 minutes. You can watch the pink just disappear. Give it another stir and clean the bottom. We want to make sure we get all the hamburger fat to melt away. And as you can see, all the pink is gone. And we'll cancel our saute. Now, we have quite a bit of fat that we have to drain from our hamburger meat. And I don't have room in my freezer for a can of grease, so what I do is push a little aluminum foil into my kitchen sink, down into the drain, and I let the fat drain right into that. And always be careful here. I bring all the corners up and make myself a nice hamburger fat torpedo I can carefully move into my trash can. And now we'll add our taco seasoning to our browned hamburger meat and our onions. I like to stir that in now before I add my water. Put a little beef bouillon in my measuring cup with a half a cup of water. We'll add that to our hamburger meat. Let's put our lid on. Seal our pressure release valve. And we'll pressure cook for 10 minutes. When those 10 minutes are up, we'll release our pressure and let's take off the lid. And we'll cancel our pressure cooker, hit saute. We're gonna boil that water off until our hamburger meat is liquid free. You can stir it up and you can see there's no water filling any of the empty areas. Cancel our saute. And let's shred some cheddar cheese. I learned if you freeze your cheese and then thaw it, and you shred it, your cheddar cheese will crumble. And it's taco time. This is how we made our tacos that night. Put our tortilla down in our air fryer basket. We covered that tortilla evenly with some crumbled cheddar cheese. We put 2 good spoonfuls of taco meat on top. Spread that around too. And then we air fried it for a couple minutes just to melt the cheese, warm up the tortilla. We moved our meaty, cheesy tortilla to our serving plate. We had a pre-made avocado ranch salad that we got from the produce department of our grocery store. We had some leftover guacamole that we made from some fallen avocados in the neighborhood, and a little leftover hot sauce we had from some carne asada burritos we made not too long ago. Boom, we got ourselves an amazing taco. Taco nights are awesome. You can make your tacos any way you want. Yeah, we sure do love taco night here. Ah, baby girl's jumping into the hot sauce territory. Looks like she might be a fan. Pressure cooking your hamburger meat with your taco seasoning makes your taco meat nice and tender, super flavorful. Happy taco night. And I had a whole lot of fun. It's time to say goodnight. If you like what you saw here, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. If you're interested in this recipe, there's a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it and you can print it off. Check out other recipes too. We got a lot of good stuff out there for you. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. Take care of yourselves out there, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
What?